Hello everyone, Vanda here of Raw and Well. Today, another epic fruit haul. So, what did I get today? I went to Sprouts and Walmart. I got some carrots, some celery, and don't panic, everything's organic. Some garlic, some spinach, that's the veggies. Then I got black table grapes, red table grapes, and white table grapes. Some red plums, some cherry plums, 4 red mangoes, 2 green mangoes, of course, always lemons. Lemons are always on the list. A Tuscan melon. These have pretty green stripes on them, so I'll let you know how that was. And then leave the best for last, which is our treat this week. I found some mangosteens that were pretty healthy. So, yum, yum, yum. Mangosteens, doing the mangosteen dance. I'll do another video and show you what these look like on the inside. And that's it for this week. Oh, I got some bananas and a nice big seeded watermelon. And I'll be juicing that watermelon. And that's it. This was a short week, still had lots left over from last week. So this was a short haul today. Bye for now.